right, so it's been a very long time since we last spoke about ADA. I think right now the time is nigh. The time is nigh. As you can see, Bitcoin currently on my sidebar is currently sitting at 72.6K, guys. We're very, very close to all-time high once again. And my read of the entire altcoin market right now is I believe this. I believe that we're actually heading into altcoin season and that it is right around the corner. I did an entire analysis on this. If you guys did not watch it, go ahead and give it a watch. You'll find it in the end cards. But right now I want to talk about ADA because it's been, well, you guys are a strong community. It's been a long time. And also I believe that this current juncture that ADA is in right now is a critical point. And you can see right now that Cardano has actually put in a base of sorts. And I'm currently on the weekly time frame. Every candle that you see here in this range is 7 days of price action. All right, and you can see this was a major region of contention right here as well, even on the breakdown right here, okay, held as resistance on support right here, as well as on the breakout right here. As soon as we broke out of this 32-cent region, that's when prices rallied a good 150% to the upside. Now, once again, this is where the base is being formed for Cardano. So for those of you, I'll say this, for those of you getting spooked out right now, now's not the time. Okay, now's not the time. You don't sell into critical support. I believe that Cardano is about to establish a trend. Just look at the higher low structure that is putting in right now on the weekly time frame. We also had one high right and then another higher high. So as far as the trend is concerned, we're about to pick up some steam. And speaking of trend analysis, guys, module 7 of the Mango Sprouts program is out. This one is on price gaps. Now, 2 more lessons within this module drop tomorrow, so a heads up on that. So definitely go ahead and check it out. Super excited for this one. And also go ahead and check out the testimonials to figure out if the Sprouts program is the right fit for you. Now's the time to be sharpening all of those skills for these crazy opportunities across the board, like Cardano. Now, to figure out if we could start seeing more steam maybe in the next 24 hours, 48 hours, let's go ahead and check out Cardano on the Mango dashboard. You guys can find this on app.mangoresearch.co. Also, guys, a quick heads up, under the premium video section, I did post a trade setup, and I will continue to post trade setups. Now is the time to be locked in. All right, if you caught the trade on the premium video section, you're already up on that trade. So right here, you can see the 4-hour actually flipped long equals bullish 16 hours ago, okay? You're currently up on that trade. Volatility profile hovering at 69, not too bad. I believe that the bulls still have a bit more juice left in them, even on those lower time frames. Now, through a bullish perspective, what you want to see right here is for this long trend to cascade on over to the 12-hour time frame and then daily, 2-day, 4-day, weekly. Now, make sure you have those alerts set in right here, okay? Because as soon as the trend cascades on over to the 12-hour time frame and the daily time frame, you are going to get alerted via email. That way, you know when it's time to be looking at the charts and to be gunning for that next trade opportunity. For the people who actually caught the trade on Dogecoin that I covered earlier today, I mean, they're up a good 30% on the trade just based on the dashboard alerts that was sent out. Now, this is Cardano on the 4-hour time frame. You can see that we have a nice clear uptrend right here. If we go ahead and turn on the Mango dynamic indicator, dynamic is currently green, price is living over the dynamic, tempo has gone off, and not just that, check out the EQ tracker, guys. We're about to head into the bullish expansion phase on the 4-hour time frame. Now, what I'm looking for over here to go leverage long on Cardano is this. Get into the weekly time frame, leave the dynamic indicator on. This is the one indicator that has kept me on the right side on Cardano's trend through the past few cycles. Yes, cycles. Okay, believe it or not, as soon as Cardano actually broke the dynamic support right here, that's what propelled us into that bearish territory once again. This was back in April of this year. So if you follow the call on the dynamic, you knew to take profits right there. Now, what I will be looking for to take the next leverage trade on Cardano is for price to clear out dynamic resistance overhead. Now, why do I want that to happen? Well, check this out, okay? Just to show you how well prices respected the dynamic resistance flipped into support. When we took it out right here, now this was the previous bull market, okay? April of 2020. We reclaimed the Mango dynamic resistance, held it as support, and that was off to the races for the Cardano bulls. Literally every single touch of dynamic support was picked up by the buyers, guys. Every single touch until we lost it right here, okay? Multiple candle closes, dynamic turned red, we had a negative slope, and that was bear market territory. That's when we got propelled into bear market territory. But even if you caught the entire trend, okay, just based on dynamic support, that was a good 6,837% on that move. Okay, 6,000%. You can see right here too, even on this intermediate rally that we had from October of 2023 all the way to April of 2024, it respected dynamic support. We reclaimed dynamic resistance, flipped it into support. All right, this touch right here was picked up by the bulls once again. Buyers stepped in, rallied right off of it. It was only when we broke it right here that we know that, okay, something different is happening on the chart. If there's any time to be taking profits, it's now. This too was a good 158% on that move. So once again, guys, I'm keeping this very simple. Look towards mango dynamic resistance, flipping into support. For those of you who do not have access to the dynamic indicator, well, now's the time. It's on sale. Just use the B-Day 2024 coupon and you can get access to it. All right, but right now the range swings in from 40 cents going all the way up to 44 cents. I'll be linking the dynamic indicator in the description below, but for those of you who just want to follow along with the Cardano story, make sure to hit the sub and the bell icon for all the other incoming updates on ADA. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out the Dogecoin video from earlier today if you're interested in that, and definitely check out my entire analysis on the next altcoin season. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.